Hey everyone, this is Shubham from Innovative Technology Solution, Gurgaon. In today's session, we are going to see how we can manage the packages in RHEL 8. RHEL 8 by default come with two repositories. First is base OS and second is upstream. Base OM contains the core set of packages for the operating system, and upstream contains additional user space application. Content of the upstream available in the two formats. First, traditional RPM and modules. Modules are the collection of packages for a single logical unit, like application, language stack, or a set of tool. Application stream or upstream basically used to have multiple versions of a same application. They can be upgrade or downgrade with a single yum module command. We are going to see some yum features in RHEL 8. RHEL uses yum version 4 based on the DNF technology. Yum version 4 have some advantages like increasing performance, support for modular content, and new API. These are the new yum commands, and we are going to see it in practical session. So I am on my RHEL 8 virtual machine. You can see there my version of Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.0. So let's check the ISO is mounted or not. My ISO is already mounted on this path. So first go to that path. You can see there two repositories, first app stream and base OS. These are two folders which contains our packages and repo data. If we go to the packages, there are many packages to use. So if you want to create a repo list, then you can use this path, or you can just copy this app stream and base OS in your file system. I already copied into my /repo directory. You can see there are two folders, upstream and base OS. Then the next step, I am going to create a configuration file for my repo list. For that, I go into /etc/yum.repos.d, this directory. There is a by default configuration file red repo. So I create the new repo list with vi-amedita local.repo. You can give there any name, but the extension should be .repo. In .repo, I am create my first repo list for my upstream. So in name, I can give there any description. I give the application stream. Then the base URL, it contains the location of my file :/ my protocol, and /file repo is my repo list path /repo/ upstream. Then my repo should be enabled. Is equal to 1 for on, and GPG check should be off. So I type there GPG check is equal to off. Let's copy these lines and paste here, because we have to add the second repo list for base OS. So I give the name base OS, then path is /repo/BAC base OS. So enable is equal to 1, GPG check is equal to 0. Same for this. Then just clear my old cache. And let's check our new repo list with yum repo list all. It is just loading. Then we can see two repo lists First is upstream, which contains 4672 packages, and second repo is base OS, which have 1658 packages. So we can now use yum installer to install any package or any module. Like we can yum install, we can use tree, and will be yes or not, and tree is already installed, that's that is not installed. So let's check some yum module commands. We can do yum module space list to show the list of all modules we have. We have module for Word, we have for Varnish, we have for Perl, we have for Python, we have for PHP. Okay, and for PHP we have a module version 7.2, and there is a D for default. Then let's install any one of module with a yum install PHP, yum module install PHP. So it installs some packages from PHP modules and also some dependencies for HTTPD. Then we press Y for enter. That is installing. Okay, a PHP module is installed. If you want to install a specific module then you can use yum module install PHP colon then 7.2 or 7.1. But I have installed I have only one module 7.1, then that file I cannot use that. So we can also use yum module list PHP to show which module is available for the PHP. Only one module right now is available, that's PHP 7.2. This was some new commands for yum. We seen that how to configure yum repo list and install packages with yum module command. So the next package manager we have available in our RHEL 8 is RPM. In the RHEL 8 it comes with new version 4.14 with some new features, like the debug info packages can be installed in parallel. It also supports for weak dependencies and boolean dependencies. It supports for packing files above 4 GB and also support for triggers. In RHEL 7 RPM only verifies payload content of the individual file while unpacking. In RHEL 8 RPM validates whole package before installation. It uses SHA-256 hash on the compressed payload. In older version they uses MD5 hash. The payload is protected with a signature. That's why anyone can't change or alter the package without breaking the signature and other hashes on a package. So we seen how we can manage packages in RHEL 8. So see you in next session.